How to create a Duolingo avatar. So all you have to do is to go here to your Duolingo application. And of course, you have to make sure you have created an account for that. Now, let's just go back here. Now, it will look like this, right? Now, on the bottom part, you'll see these selections here. Then tap on the three dots here and you'll see your profile. Now, click on your profile there. And then here on the upper part, you'll see this empty avatar, right? And you'll see this plus icon. So to be able to create a Duolingo avatar, all you have to do is to click on that and it will lead you here. Now, you will see a lot of options here where you can customize your avatar here. You can even change the skin tone the way you like it. You can even choose the body type here, as you can see. So all you have to do is to just play around it. For example, this face or this expression. It really all depends on you, so just play with that. You can even change the hair color. You can have this hair and then can add some glasses, the color of the glasses, so on and so forth here. Now you can even change, you can add some, I'm sorry for that. You can add some headwear for that person. Can even change the color. And of course, you can change the background here. And this is confident with that. If you're satisfied with that, then what you're gonna do is on the upper right here, you see done, on that done. And here you have successfully created a dual avatar. Now, if you wish to change it from time to time, all you have to do is to do the same process. You just have to click on your avatar and change the specific part with the specific what you want to change it. And basically, that's how you create a dual avatar. Okay. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.